Crocs haul reveal galing sa Foot Locker Philippines. Buksan natin. So, una-una sa lahat, meron tayo dito sobrang cute na Minions. Ano ba tawag dito? Minions clog. Clog. O, di ba clog? So, kita niyo nakasulat dito left. Kahit left-right siya dapat. Kasi nga Minions. You have the color of the Minions. Ito yata parang yung ano niya, yung jumper suit, di ba, na denim na suot. Ano ba pangalan ng Minion na yun? Hindi ko na malala. Basta cute siya. Pero yung pinaka-Minion about this one is if titignan nyo yung likod, makikita dyan sa taas, oops, yan, makita. Nandyan yung mga mata, tapos nakasulat dyan, Minions, illumination %. So, sana pinagalaw nila yung mata, no? Para mas cute. Yung cute, Jigs. Sa'yo mo cute? Ang cute daw, sabi ni Jigs. So, di ba? So, again, that's the first one. This is yung clogs na Minions. Obviously, it's not for everyone unless fan ka ng Minions or talagang feel mo lang talagang magloko-loko. Yung next one is a little bit more for the anime geeks. Teka. Next, meron tayong Gundam na clogs or crocs, diba? So, kita-kita dito, yung color niya is your typical Gundam color of red, white, yellow, and blue. Parang kulay din ng Pilipinas yun. Anyway, so, obviously, ito yung, ano yung parang OG Gundam? RX 78. So, yun yung inspiration of this one. And you can even see the Gundam head as a gibbet dito sa right side of the clog. And then you have the shield that's being used by that same, sabi ko sana robot eh. Ano ba yung tamang term? Gundam. Gundam na lang. O, di ba? Nagamit niya. Kasama yung laser lightsaber. Laser sword. Di ba? And then, ito pala yung, ano niya, nakasulat pala dito sa gilid. Yan ang nakasulat, RX782. And then you have all the different colors of the Gundam inspired by the helmet for the front part of the clog and even here at the back. So this one, pati yung ilalim, mukhang sapatos ng Gundam. Diba? So ito, again, for the geeks out there, this came out literally a few months after the Naruto Shippuden collaboration. And then you can expect the Pokemon collaboration to come soon. So talagang nakakatuwa, ang daming crocs na lumalabas. Meron naman tayo medyo a little bit more hype, not necessarily like geeky. This one is a slide. So yan, ito yung Polex Salay Bembury. Yan, pakita natin. Na crocs na slide. O, diba? So this comes in different colors. Akala ko may hirapan ako to get this. Kasi, di ba, nung mga unang labas niya ng footwear, sobrang hype. And the resale value was actually kind of high. But this one, I think it's easy to get, no? It's not that hard to get anymore. So if you're a fan of the artist and if you're a fan of the style, then you might want to pick one up. Obviously, it comes in that signature Salay Bembury. Paano pronounce yun? Bembury. Salay Bembury. O basta, kay Salay. O, di ba? Yung style niya of parang using his fingers to sculpt through sand. So, yun yung makikita niyo yung design dito sa upper part ng slide. And then you have those dots here. And then you have also the one at the bottom. And yeah, it's just a really nice all-around slide to have. Now, this one, kinuha ko yung black. There are different colors. Bakit black? Kasi pag white, makikita yung dumi. So, dito na tayo sa madaling linisin, di ba? So, yan ang ating unboxing of our Crocs haul. So, if you guys are looking for different footwear, be it athletic sneakers, running sneakers, basketball sneakers, or slides like this one, make sure to check out the Foot Locker. Ito, nabili ko to sa Foot Locker Philippines sa Green Hills Mall na bago. Hindi to sponsored. Baka inisip nyo yung sponsor to. Binayaran ko lahat yan. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo yung latest haul natin.